wanna splish, take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment.
Hey YouTube, it's India. I am back. So first I just want to apologize for my absence. As you guys may or may not know, I am in the military. So these past 6 months I have been deployed overseas. Let's see, I left in July and I just got back like last week. So that's why I have not been posting any videos, uploading any videos for these past few months, because I was deployed, and the location that I was deployed at, there was no way I was getting any videos up. Like, I could barely watch a Snapchat video. That's how terrible the Wi-Fi was. Like, the Wi-Fi barely worked. So prepare to see more videos from me. I do want to make a uploading schedule, so like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This video, however, is probably not going to be on that schedule because it's what's today, Tuesday, and I'm just starting to like sit down and record because I have been like non-stop on the go since I've been back. So yeah, but without any further ado, today's video is going to be on a wig that I ordered from My First Wig. And as you guys know, this is not the first wig that I ordered from them. The first one I ordered was the Jamie wig, and it was in like 10 inches, I think. So the wig I ordered today, it is the Raven wig, and it is in the texture silky, 14 inches, natural hair color. Lace color is light brown, and I didn't get the full lace wig. I just got the lace front, so there's only like lace in the front of the wig instead of like the whole entire wig. And it has 1, 2, and 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Yeah, so this is the wig like straight out of the box. This is what it looks like. I haven't done anything to this. I have not cut the lace yet, as you can see. I haven't plucked anything, and actually I'm not going to pluck anything. I plucked my Jamie wig, and I think I plucked too much, so I don't think this needs. Actually, before I cut the lace, I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like straight on my head with the lace still attached and everything. So this is what it looks like. I don't have a mirror, so I really can't see, but looking at my camera, it looks pretty good. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cut, or not cut, but pluck anything in the front and see how it looks. My only concern is that, well, it's not really a concern, but it's just a preference. I don't wear my part on this side of my head. I usually wear my part on this side, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna deal with it being on this side, and I'll just change the part when I actually go out to wear the wig out. So now I'm about to cut the lace, and I'll show you guys how the wig fits on my head without having to like glue it down or anything, like to see if I need to glue it down. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So what I did was I went ahead and cut the lace on the wig, and I went ahead and changed the part because you guys know the part was on this side, and I don't want my part on the right side of my head. I went on the left side. So I just I changed the part, put the part over here, which is really easy to do since it is a lace wig. You know, you could just put the part wherever you want. So I put it right here, and I just took like a wet brush and brushed the hair into place, and I took some mousse and or wrapping lotion and just put it all over it and brush it down so that the hair can stay in place and the part can stay in place. I took a flat iron and bumped the ends as well, and I tied down my hair for a couple minutes so it can lay a little flat. Now the hair could be lay a little bit more flat, but how I have my hair underneath, I don't have it braided or anything. I just like put it back. I put like a big twist on this side and a big twist on this side, and then just do a wig cap on. So my hair is like really poofy. Like the twist is kind of like untwisted itself, so it's like a big poof. So I know the wig is not laying as flat as it possibly could if I were to braid my hair underneath. So yeah, other than that, I really love this wig so far. I did not glue this wig down at all. Like usually when I wear my wigs, I will use got to be glue, which you guys know is not really a glue. It's a really strong gel, and which is better for your hair because you could just take that off with like warm water, like easy, versus being a glue and being stuck to your edges and ripping your hair out. Anyways, I didn't use any of that. Like I literally just cut the lace and put the wig on. Like it is not glued down, it's not gelled down, it has no type of adhesive on it whatsoever. I did not pluck anything. I did not pluck my edges, I did not pluck the part. This is the wig straight out of the box. Just I changed the part and I straightened the hair a little bit. I really do like this wig. Again, it is the Raven wig on myfirstwig.com, and I got the inches 14, and yeah, I got the 14 instead of like the 10 or the 12. I forgot what length it came in, but I want to say 12 because my Jamie wig is pretty much like this. You know, it's a blunt bob wig, a blunt cut wig, and but it's a middle part, and so I got that one in I think either 10 inches or 12 inches. So I figured, you know, since this wig is really similar to the Jamie wig, I will get it in like a longer length. I didn't really like bump the back as well as I could have, but yeah, like I love it. I love the like the asymmetrical look and everything. A little bit on My First Wig. If you guys do not know, they are the sister site to RPG Show. So their wigs are a little bit more affordable. They don't have as big of a selection as RPG Show because My First Wig is meant for beginner wig wearers. So they have a good selection, just not as big of a selection. So and they're priced more reasonably than RPG shows, so they are on the more affordable side. And I did pay this wig with my own money. I know on their site for the first wig, my Jamie wig that I ordered from them, I used like this coupon code that they have on their site where you can get a free wig kit, and it comes with like a wig stand, and it comes with like this little cute pouch that has like a rat tail comb, a wig cap. Actually, it's this wig cap right here. I got this one with, actually the wig cap comes with all the wigs because I just got it with my Raven wig and I didn't get the wig kit this time. So it comes with the wig cap, a rat tail comb, some banana, those like banana clip, well, what are these? Like, are these banana clips? Built duck clips? What are, they come with clips like these, and bobby pins. I want to say that, oh, an elastic band if you know you want to do the elastic band method with your wig, which I actually might try that with this one. But I'm not sure because this wig is already a little bit too small. I should have went up a size because I do have a really big head. I don't know what I was thinking about getting like the small size. Like what were you think is this? But so actually I might skip out on that elastic band because I'm not trying to walk around with a headache because this wig is already tight. Okay, so the wig did come in this pouch as well. It says My First Wig, and it's just like a little storage pouch so you can store your wigs in, and it does come in handy because let me tell you, I've been using this pouch for my wigs. Okay, so yeah, that is it on this wig. If you guys want to see a video of a more in-depth video on how I install my wig, then just give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thumbs this video up. Bye.
With the dead, the bull like a matador. With the dead, the bull like a matador.